Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this LG with Alltel. I noticed it's locked, and it's also been having a couple little problems, and it's in really rough shape. So we'll go ahead and start with the backdrop. And if all these phones survive, I'm just going to give away the ones that aren't like completely destroyed. In 3, 2, 1. That definitely hit the side, I think. Yep, it did. Right there. Looks like it's still working. Yep. Alrighty. I think we're going to do a side drop on the top of the antenna, too. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. It definitely hit the top of the antenna right there. It looks like just normal scuffing from it, truthfully, right there, maybe right there on top. Still working. And now we're going to do the face down. In 3, 2, 1. Looks like it definitely hit on the screen right here on this area. I also noticed some nicks right here on the top of on the rear. So let's go and do it when it's opened. This one's really light, so it's just bouncing all over the place. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it did crack the front plastic, and it did break the LCD. Let me go in my car real quick and show you. Get out of the sun a little bit. There you go, the LCD is cracked, but still working. Alrighty. And then we're just going to do a throw test real quick. So I'm going to start in slow motion. In 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Looks like it hit right here on the top hinge cover and the antenna right there. The LCD's even worse now. Looks like it's not responding though. Looks like it turned off actually. Let's see if it turns back on. No, it looks like it's dead. Well, that was a drop test of the LG. I don't remember the model. Like I said, everything's going to be in the title, but hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.